Alright, let's cut to the chase. Crypto isn't just about wild price swings and meme coins anymore. In 2025, passive income from crypto is easier than ever. If you want your money to work for you while you sleep, I've got 9 of the simplest ways to get started. Grab a notepad or just listen close, let's dive in. Number 1, staking. This is like putting your crypto in a savings account, except the bank is the blockchain. Coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana pay you rewards just for holding and locking them up. It's simple. Pick a reputable staking platform, deposit your coins, and let the rewards come in. Number 2, earning interest through lending. Platforms like Aave, Compound, or even CeFi ones like BlockFi let you lend out your crypto to others. In return, you earn interest, kind of like being your own bank. Just be sure to check the risks, as lending isn't risk-free. Number 3, yield farming. If you're feeling adventurous, you can provide liquidity to DeFi platforms like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. In exchange for supplying your tokens, you earn a share of the trading fees and sometimes bonus tokens. It's a bit more technical, but the returns can be worth it if you do your homework. Number 4, crypto savings accounts. Yes, they exist. Platforms like Nexo or Crypto.com offer savings accounts that pay you interest just for holding certain crypto assets. The rates can beat your regular bank by a mile. Number 5, earning rewards with crypto credit cards. Spend crypto, get cash back or more crypto. It's that simple. Companies like Gemini and Coinbase offer cards with solid rewards just for your everyday purchases. Number 6, running a masternode. This one needs a bigger upfront investment, but if you're a long-term believer in projects like Dash or Zcoin, running a masternode earns you steady rewards for helping secure the network. Number 7, play to earn games. If you're into gaming, why not make some income from it? Games like Axie Infinity or newer options let you earn tokens just by playing. It's fun, and sometimes surprisingly profitable. Number 8, NFT royalties. Create digital art, music, or collectibles as NFTs, and you can set up royalties to earn a cut every time your NFT is resold. Passive income for creators, unlocked. And number 9, crypto affiliate programs. Love talking about crypto? Many exchanges offer referral bonuses or revenue sharing for bringing in new users. Share your link, help a friend, and get paid. So, if you're looking to make your crypto work for you in 2025, there's no shortage of options. Just remember, always do your own research, avoid anything that sounds too good to be true, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more ways to grow your wealth passively. Thanks for watching.